Welcome to Take a Minute. I'm Noemi, and in these stressful times, I'm here to share some tips with stay-at-home moms, working moms, and everything in between moms. In this week's Take a Minute, let's talk about gardening tips for beginners. Spring is a time many start to think about flowers and the outdoors. If you have never gardened before, here are some helpful tips for beginners who would like to start planting a garden this spring. The first thing we need to talk about is location. Starting a garden is like real estate. It's all about location, location, location. Place your garden where you can see it all the time. If you see your garden on a regular basis, you will more likely want to spend time in it, enjoying it, and working on it. Also remember to follow the sun. Pay attention to how the sunlight plays through your yard before choosing a spot for your garden. Most edible plants, including many vegetables, herbs, and fruit, need at least 6 hours of sun in order to thrive. Misjudging the sunlight path is a common pitfall when learning how to garden. Also consider your water source. Locate your garden near a water source. Make sure you can run a hose to your garden site. To check if your garden needs water, push your finger an inch down into the soil, about 1 knuckle down. If it feels dry, it's time to water. This is especially necessary during our Rio Grande Valley summers. Also consider your soil. Start with great soil. Invest in soil that is nutrient-rich and well-drained. Add mulch that's 2 to 3 inches deep around each plant. This will help the plants from weeds and moisture loss by blocking out the sun. The McAllen Compost Facility offers a variety of products to fit your project needs, including premium compost and mulch for starting gardens. And lastly, remember to feed your plants regularly by adding plant food to your soil about 1 month after planting your garden. Also consider containers. If you have limited space, consider containers. Many plants, including vegetables, herbs, flowers, and fruit trees, can grow in pots. And here's a tip for you. When using containers, make sure to use a pot large enough to allow it to grow to its mature size. And also remember to choose the right plants. You must consider your local climate when choosing what to plant in your garden. Here in the Rio Grande Valley of Texas, we have an arid climate with very hot summers and frequent severe droughts. Other factors to consider are water quality, pest management, and crop disease. Consider planting citrus, potatoes, onions, and other heat-tolerant vegetables and plants. For more information, go to our website at www.mcallenlibrary.net for a list of books available for checkout at the McAllen Public Library. And this is Take a Minute. This has been Take a Minute. I'm Noemi with the Palmy Branch Library, asking you to take a minute to take care of yourself so you can take care of your family.